Hey, this is Andrea.
And I'm Kayla.
And we're the Photog Besties. Hi, Kayla! You ready for our adventure?
Always. Hey guys.
We are about to head downtown Minneapolis to do some night photography, but we're hoping to catch sunset before that.
Super fun.
Grab something to eat, and then take pictures of this beautifulness.
Lusciousness.
You can kind of see it in the background. We're hoping to not hit too bad of traffic. It's, I don't know, what time is it? Like 5:30?
Yeah, 5:30? We got no traffic at 5:30.
Yeah.
Until we hit 94.
I don't think there's ever a time of day where that lane is not.
About 4:30 in the morning.
Yeah, right.
Ooh,
look at this view. I love the Minneapolis skyline. I think it's one of my favorites. Kayla is doing an excellent job driving. Oh, the golden glow of the sun on your hair. So beautiful.
And you're the huge distraction.
This is why Kayla's driving, so I can video. There's us. I'm waving.
Oh, I should get into the road.
As Kayla goes off the side of the road.
We're fine.
There's the target field.
This is down here somewhere is the impound lot.
Oh.
You might not know about that.
Oh, do you? How do you know where the impound lot is down here, Kayla?
I've gotten my car towed once.
Oh man. Here's West Photo, which I hear a lot of people talking about. We found a parking spot. And Kayla is
27.2. Here it comes. Just kidding. You just can't park within 5 feet of the driveway. I think we're okay now.
Oh yeah. All right, we just got here and we are going to head to the Stone Arch Bridge and catch sunset. This is where we came last time to do some portraits.
What was that, 2018?
Oh, it was a few years ago. We'll have to post those pics. It's fairly busy.
Mm-hmm.
We're here in Minneapolis. You can kind of see behind us. We are headed there to take some nighttime photography.
It's gonna be awesome.
Yay! With our beautiful faces. With some neon lights, hopefully. If we can find it. I don't know.
Yes. We're hoping it's not just the red light district that has neon lights.
That could be fun.
Those are very interesting concepts.
Yes. So there we are. We're on the Stone Arch Bridge. So yeah. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Feels like it cleared out pretty quickly. Sun's going down and so we're getting home. And we have just begun.
You look beautiful. There's Andrea walking away. So we're gonna go head downtown, try to catch some food, and then on our way back, or it's gonna be super amazing, and we're gonna be able to get everything at night. Those should possibly be lit up. I don't really know. I don't remember. I think so. But yeah, and then all of this at night is going to be super, super pretty. That guy's like, what the oof is going on?
So Kayla is coming right now. Here she comes.
walk this way.
Kayla almost got ran over.
Oh, those wires are running over here.
I know.
I'm too lazy to switch lenses.
Why do you think I don't have my camera out yet? Because I'm too lazy.
Andrew, you can't be lazy in the photography world. Ha! I got my phone to work with my mitten on. Yes!
Look at you go.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk that way.
Okay. Yeah, now's the time to take a picture.
I suppose so.
The Guthrie is over there, which is a cool spot to take some photos. That yellow is actually yellow when you're in the room. Here we are, walking. It's about 35 degrees, I would say. So it's not warm, but it's not freezing. We have been in a lot colder and a lot warmer. We're walking up this hill, and I wore the wrong shoes, naturally.
Come on, it's just like you're a college party girl.
Yeah, we're gonna go downtown, party it up. No,
There's any food anywhere.
I'm way too old for that. We are on search for food, though, so we're not sure.
And Googling just sounds like too easy. You gotta make it more challenging.
Yeah, we have to walk around and make me walk in my shoes more. Sounds more pleasant. Looking for a cool spot. Well, one to eat and one to take cool pictures by. I think we'll be able to find both. Should we walk straight?
I don't know if Andrew's gonna make this.
I have to walk
I can make
slow.
it, but I don't know if Andrew can.
They're waiting. Are they waiting for us?
Oh, there's a stop sign.
Oh,
I didn't like it.
but I still have to walk really fast. Oh my gosh. So we're here at the Crooked Pint. Yes. We ordered some apps, so we're gonna share a couple apps, and then we get to have dessert, hopefully. And we have our Coke because we gotta stay awake.
Yeah, because it's already like 7 o'clock.
It's like way past my bedtime.
Getting sleepy.
Whoa.
Smokes. We got the little sunburn. This is why you don't do tanning beds, guys.
Shoot. I have a little, like a lobster. Ouch, it hurts.
Got some jeans.
Oh yeah. So Kayla's taking photos of me right now, and there is a reason I am a photographer and not a model. So here's Kayla. I'm taking photos next to this sign. Can't really see that, but don't I look so red? Here we are. I am snapping some shots of Kayla with this dinner and drinks behind us. It's kind of a fun sign. So we found some lights and we're gonna start walking. Well, not start. We are walking towards them. If the camera's shaky, it's because I'm cold.
Honey, Andrew, it's like 30 degrees.
Oh,
It's so
it's
warm out.
shivering. And it's Friday night, like Kayla said. Station 1.
Ooh, we're station 2.
So, this is Station 1. Is that just one in Minneapolis, do you think? Or in like the whole Minnesota.
It's like no. It's like the station number 1. Like they have different stations. Like police stations have them too. Different numbers.
This is the Hui Bar. We're right by the U.S. Bank Stadium and the light rail here. And here is Minneapolis. We're sitting here waiting for cars to come so we can try a light trail, and it's looking good. I'll be ready. Okay, here they come. Well, a little bit. Kayla's over there doing it. I'm over here doing it.
Bus. Let's see what it does.
As he stopped.
It bounced weird though. The tripod out, you should get a photo of yourself.
We should.
A full body shot.
We're gonna attempt to get a picture of ourselves.
Let's see how it works. You're gonna have to use your phone because sometimes I never get self-coordinated.
Here's my tripod. I used my backpack. I guess we'll find out how it worked when I get my pictures on the big screen. Kayla is working on putting the cell phone thing on her tripod so we can take a picture of ourselves with this lovely backdrop. So I totally broke out the hand warmers because my hands are cold. What time is it? You think like 10?
Yeah, probably.
Around 10 p.m. downtown Minneapolis.
I already recorded.
Oh, do you hear sirens?
Oh, that's like the 27th siren we've heard all night. Already seen like 3 police cars.
Yep. Lights on, and there's probably like 5 that we saw without lights. So I'm feeling pretty safe here.
Mm-hmm.
My feet are about to fall off. Next time I'll remember better shoes. These, super cute. Super not comfortable.
You should get comfy boots like these.
Well, they're super comfortable unless you're walking a long ways.
If you're walking like 3 or 4 miles.
It's not comfy anymore. And what do we have, another couple blocks or what?
I think so. I don't remember which street it came down.
I don't either. We should probably pay attention to that.
Oh, somewhere right there. We just
Oh,
So we've got like 2 blocks.
nice. So anytime Kayla and I go on an adventure, we always run into a Subway. And that's kind of most of the time where we eat. But today we ate at the Crooked Pint, which was very good. We split some apps. Feels like eternity that we're walking right now. and we
We didn't walk. realized. I was like, I don't remember.
Did we walk past the bridge?
I think we did.
Kayla.
Okay, let's talk. Wait, that's really close. No, it's not. Epic.
That bridge is closed.
No, but the street, first street.
We did go too far. Oh man, alive. We're really dark.
Really creepy.
So it's almost 11 o'clock at night. And we just crossed the Stone Arch Bridge. My feet are falling off.
Yeah, poor Andrea. I know. You good?
Oh, good. I'm glad you wore the appropriate footwear. Like myself, you never learn.
It's fine.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're still pretty surprised that there's no one around. Just used to having a very lively downtown area, especially down by the Stone Arch Bridge. It's busy at all times of the day, especially on Fridays, so it's very crazy that we were only had a handful of people on the bridge the whole time this late at night.
We are headed back to our car, and I'm tired. Are you tired?
Yes. It's
Yeah.
after 11, I think.
It is definitely after 11, and we got here at what?
5:30?
5:30. Yeah. So.
It's been a long day, or night, I should say. But it's been fun. It's
Yes.
really cool.
We had a great time. Lots of adventures here in Minneapolis. It was a good time.
Yeah, definitely check it out. Come downtown, come by the Stone Arch Bridge.
Yeah.
There's this A here.
It's
Did Andrew?
for Andrea. I mean, really, it's A for Andrea. Let's look at it.
Kind of cool.
It's a really cool building. It has like really neat bricks.
Yep.
I just think. Kayla is really excited. It is 11:20 and she gets to take the carpooling. Woo! Is this the best day of your life, you
Best
said?
day of my life. You're gonna be all that traffic down below us.
Yeah, there's so much traffic out at this time of night. We really are saving a lot of time heading home. I'm Andrea.
And I'm Kayla.
And that's a wrap. Photog Bessie is signing off.
Peace.
And don't forget to subscribe, please.
Please, we only have like 5 subscribers.
We need more subscribers.
We're not that bad, are we?
I think we're kind of cool.